Hello everyone, today we will learn how to make a simple motor direction control using Arduino and L298 IC. So let's go for the components. Okay, for the components we have simple DC geared motor, Arduino UNO, L298 H bridge, jumper wires, and wheel to see the direction properly. Now let's build it. Okay, to make this circuit we first need to understand the basics of this H bridge. These 2 points are for the direction of the motor. For example, the plus and minus of the motors will be attached over here. Similarly, the other motor will be attached over here. I am using only one motor, so I will attach over here or over here. That's up to me. Other thing is that we have this point is ground. The middle point, this one is ground. This is for the 5 volts and this is for the 12 volt. If I am using 12 volt battery, so this point will be used. If I am using 5 volts battery, so this point will be used. As I am using Arduino, so I will connect the negative wire over here and positive wire over here of the battery. Similarly, the motor's point will be attached over here and here. These 2 points are for the motor, and these are all the inputs of the H bridge. As you can see, this is the enable of motor 1. This is the enable of motor 2. The last 2 points are for the enabling of the motors, and this is for the input 1, input 2. If we give this one input 1 and this one 0, the motor will turn in one direction, and if we give this one 1 and this one 0, the motor will turn in the other direction. So let's connect the wires. Okay, I have connected the wires. As you can see, this circuit diagram will be provided in the end, so don't worry about it. I am using pin number 9 in Arduino as the enable of motor 1 and pin number 3 of the Arduino as the enable of motor 2, and the middle one's input for the input of motor 1 I am using 8 and 9, and for motor 2 I am using 5 and 4. The circuit diagram will be provided in the end. Those I have attached over here. This is the enable. As I have connected the wires, now let's connect the wires of the motor at these points of the H bridge. These are 2 points of the motor. Okay, now let's connect the power points of the H bridge. to Arduino. Here I have connected the 5 volts. Now let's connect the ground. This is the ground as I have connected. Now let's check the circuit. I am connecting the Arduino to a laptop. As you can see, the motor is moving in the both directions with some delay, which is in the code. Now let's attach the wheel. As I have connected the wheel and I have connected the Arduino with the power supply, you can see the motor is moving in both directions with some delay. It is moving in the both directions with some delay. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.